exposed several women, accusing a man of sending unwanted pictures of his private parts through Facebook.
It's the first one that comes through is, hey, and then after that, wham, there you go, there's the genitals.
Good evening. If someone flashes you in public, it's illegal. But get this, if they virtually flash you by sending unsolicited X-rated photos, it's legal.
Who knew? After hearing about an investigation in Oakland County, 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell tells us some victims of sexting are outraged, demanding a change in that law.
It happened Friday. A school bus driver saw a 31-year-old man standing naked in the doorway of this building on Grand River in New Hudson. Fortunately, no children were on the bus to see him. The Oakland County Sheriff's Office says 31-year-old Bo McNeil, who lives in this commercial building where it happened, was arraigned on an indecent exposure charge.
Knowing that I have a son that is in elementary school and could have been exposed to this if he was on a bus and it happened to go by as that was happening, it was disturbing to me.
This dad was angry, not only because his son could have been on that bus, but because he says this could have been prevented. He says the man has exposed himself before. 6-8
months ago, I went to the police department about this, and that's when I learned that nothing could be done.
Why? What allegedly happened didn't happen in person. The man allegedly sent explicit unsolicited messages on Facebook to Jeffrey Douglas's wife and numerous other women.
It's the first one that comes through is, hey, and then after that, wham, there you go, there's the genitals.
It also happened to Tara Arney, who spoke to us by FaceTime.
It just really took me by surprise.
After she complained on social media about getting explicit photos, more than a dozen other women from the South Lyon area said they too were victims. Tara too went to police. They told her sexting is legal. She says she doesn't think this is sexting. She says it's a virtual flashing out of nowhere. We knocked on McNeil's door to get his side of the story, but he didn't answer.
This just opens the floodgates for people to be able to expose themselves and not have any fear. So it definitely should change some laws.
If you should be a victim of such a picture, investigators say don't delete it. Keep it in your account and respond to that person saying you don't want any more pictures. If they continue, they could face a charge of harassment. Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
And even more